Okay, we're in Akumal, and I did a 1 kilometer walk down along the street along the private residences, and they're like amazing villas along the waterfront, to a restaurant called La Buena Vida. I was recommended to go to Pueblo del Pescador, which is at the entrance of the beach area, and Buena Vida, which is at the about halfway mark of the beach area. So now I've got a wonderful table right on the waterfront. Amazing. Amazing view. Great sounds of the waves crashing. Some music in the background. It's a beautiful Sunday, nice and relaxing. Akumal. This great little waterfront area for villas and home rentals. I'll show you some pictures of those villas from the street side. And this Buena Vida is definitely a nice spot. I'm gonna have a nice dinner here and check in later.